In today's video, I'm going to talk about the real way that people are leaving the UK to move to Dubai. Now, you're probably watching this video because you want to move to Dubai. You probably live in the UK and you're tired of the life in the UK. And I know how it feels because I used to live in the UK. I was there for 27 years of my life. And I literally got sick and tired. I've always wanted to move to Dubai. And I said, you know what, I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I'm going to pack my bags, quit my 9-to-5 job and just move to Dubai. I had no money, I had no savings. I thought, you know what, life is too short for me to keep working a 9-to-5 job and struggling in the UK and dealing with the terrible weather, the cold weather. I'm sure a lot of you can relate watching this video. And I said, you know what, I'm just going to go to Dubai and I'll figure it out once I move to Dubai. And yeah, I've been here for nearly 2 years now. And now I run a 6-figure online coaching business, which has completely changed my life because not only do I get to live here in Dubai and live in the best city in the world, but I have freedom. I get to work for myself. I get to work anywhere I want, anywhere in the world, to be honest. But I like to stay here in Dubai. I like to work in different cafes. I like to work near the Burj Khalifa. I like to work in different malls. Honestly, having this online business has completely changed my life. And in today's video, I basically want to talk about the real way people are leaving the UK to move to Dubai, because it's not the way you guys think, right? Now, when I was in the UK, I thought the only way to move to Dubai is, let me apply for some jobs from the UK in Dubai and hopefully I will get a response. Hopefully they like what they see, or hopefully they like my CV, or they like my portfolio, and they'll say, you know what, we like you. Why don't we get you over here, and pay for my visa, pay for maybe even my accommodation to a certain extent. And yeah, I'll get a job, right? And the problem is everyone thinks like this. Everyone thinks that they can just apply from the UK, to live here in Dubai and, it will happen at some point. Now, I'm telling you guys, if you're doing this, you're wasting your time, okay? Because it's hard enough trying to apply for a job in the UK. Like coming here and trying to get a job is hard as well. So don't think that, if you're just going to apply from the UK, you've got a chance, because guys, people that live here in Dubai are struggling to get jobs, right? People that live here or have just come here, in pursuit of a job, they can't even get jobs. So don't think that you can just do it from the UK, because people here can't do it, right? Now, if you can't get a job from applying from the UK and it's difficult to get a job by just coming over here, what's the other way people are moving to Dubai? Guys, the way people are moving to Dubai from the UK is by starting an online business. Now, an online business is the best way to make money, right? Because you have financial freedom, because you can actually work from wherever you want, because all you need is your laptop. It's not like a physical business where you have to actually go to the place, check the place out, make sure the staff is doing the job. None of that bullshit, right? You have an online business. You work from anywhere you want. You just have your laptop, right? And even if you hire people, you can keep in touch with them through Google Meets or Zoom or whatever. And, you can actually have a proper team and a proper business all from your laptop, right? And this is, by the way, one of the main ways people are moving here. It's not through a job. It's not through, freelancing to a certain extent. All people are doing is starting an online business and moving to Dubai. Now, just a quick one before I continue the video. If you guys are looking to start an online business where I can help you on a personal level generate 10K a month by working with me on a 3-month program, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call with you and see exactly how I can actually help you, right? Now, guys, if you are sitting here thinking, okay, well, if online business is the only way I can actually move to Dubai, what online business should you guys do? Because there are so many, right? There's drop shipping, there's affiliate marketing, there's YouTube content creation, there's TikTok shop. There's a bunch of different online business models that you guys can do. And believe me, I've done all of them. I've done drop shipping, I've done affiliate marketing. I actually did YouTube full time for a while as well, where I was living off sponsorships. And I can tell you for free, right? All of those business models are great and all of them do work. But if you want to make money fast and if you want to move to Dubai fast and you want to have the business model that actually gives you the most freedom, start an online coaching business. That's what's changed my life. That's what's changed some of my clients' lives as well. And it's the best way to make money. Honestly, guys, it's the best way to make money, because you can make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grand a month straight away, right? And you can move to Dubai. It's as simple as that. It's so easy to do. And the reason why it works so well is because all you need to do is sell your skills to high ticket clients. And the best part about this business model is that everyone has a skill, right? Everyone has a skill. Even if you don't believe you have a skill, trust me, everyone has a skill. I have not worked with a single client who I've not been able to identify a skill for. And not only that, most people actually do come to me with skills. And sometimes it comes to a point where the skill that they came initially with, they don't even end up choosing, because we identify so many skills that they end up choosing another one which actually works out more profitable and something that they're more passionate about as well. So this is why this business model is so amazing. And I've worked with so many clients, right? I've worked with a 20-year-old who's actually from Australia, who from his first video made $25,000. Not only that, I've worked with a client that generated £6,000 in a single day, which is around $7,500. Now you can see all my testimonials on my website, which will be in the link in the description below. And again, if you do need any help with starting your own online business, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to see if I can help you. Now guys, if you want to move to Dubai and you are serious about moving to Dubai, do not look at applying for jobs. Now, I'm very anti-job, right? If you haven't watched the channel before, I'm very anti-job, because a job basically means that you can't do what you want. You don't have freedom, okay? Now, a lot of people go for jobs because it's the easiest way. It's something that they get comfortable with and all of these things, right? And I'm telling you guys, you can make so much more from an online business than you can ever do from a job. And you know the best part? You'll work less hours. In a 9-to-5 job, you work, what, 40 hours a week? You can literally make 10K a month by working about 5 to 10 hours a week on an online business. And no, this is not me exaggerating. No, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Honestly, if you put in the work and you get your business and you put all the systems correctly, which I obviously show you in my program, you can literally make 10K a month by working 5 to 10 hours a week. And literally, this is no exaggeration. And guys, I've been able to network with some really high level people. Like there's a 20-year-old I know makes 70 grand a month. I've networked with CEOs of companies worth over 100 mil. Honestly, guys, it is so easy to make money, right? The thing is, a lot of you guys want to move to Dubai. You want to move to the best city in the world, which you can probably see from the backdrop. How amazing is that, right? All of you guys want to move to Dubai, but are you serious to move to Dubai? Because if you are serious, you'll do whatever it takes. Guys, I quit my job. I sold my car. I moved to Dubai with no savings because I really wanted to live here. And my life has completely changed by doing so. Because of one risk that I took, I completely changed my life. Not only that, I hired a mentor, right? And it's because of that mentor that I was able to start a successful online business, which has completely changed my life. I even messaged this mentor the other day saying, thank you for helping me, because without your help, I wouldn't be where I am today. And guys, this is why it's so important that you take risk as well. Invest in yourself, hire a mentor, because if you want to seriously move to Dubai, well guys, you're gonna need some help. Don't have this ego that you're not gonna ask for help. Don't have this ego that you're not gonna invest in yourself. Guys, you have to invest in yourself. That's the only way you're gonna level up. And that's what's changed my life completely. Guys, I wouldn't be here today. If I didn't invest in myself, I'll still be in the UK working my 9-to-5 job, looking outside, gray skies, rainy weather, cold weather, right? Instead of being here in Dubai with my amazing apartment, which actually has a swimming pool in the balcony, which is crazy, right? And obviously with the views that you can see from behind me as well. And yeah, I mean, life is so different. All because I took a chance on myself, I believed in myself, and I took a massive risk. And guys, I can't tell you how amazing it is to live in Dubai. Living in Dubai is literally the best thing ever, right? Whatever you think it's like living in Dubai, it's actually better. Trust me, it's so much better. One, it's cheaper to live here than the UK, and I know that makes no sense, but trust me, it's so much cheaper to live here. Not only that, the weather's amazing 24/7, apart from the last 2 days where it did rain for the first time I've been here in 2 years. But apart from that, the weather's been amazing, the sun's out all the time, and yeah, it's just amazing, guys. Honestly, to live here is a dream, because sometimes I pinch myself. This is a destination, in fact, I saw the other day, it's the most visited destination in 2025. And I am so grateful and privileged to be able to live here. But the only reason I was able to do that, because I took a risk, because I took a chance on myself, because I invested in myself. And you guys aren't taking risks, you guys aren't investing in yourself, and you want to live here in Dubai. Like, it's never going to work. So guys, my best advice, start an online business. And if you do need any help, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to help you start an online business that can generate you 10K a month. And trust me guys, all of this came about because I didn't chase happiness. Now, if you want to understand why chasing happiness will keep you broke, click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.